Alright, so this is at idle. You can hear it cut out and sputter. This is while I was driving, going down the road. It'll cut out, you'll hear it cut out and everything, so it's higher RPMs and not really moving at all, or that much. So at the very end of this video, my engine actually just completely died, so I had to stop and try to start it again, so you can see me actually coming to a stop. And then the video cuts away because I was in crisis mode in the middle of the road. Engine died. So alright, so I'm back on the road now, about to make a left turn, and you can hear it start to cut out again.